This is an all-in-one 4K wireless security camera that I think is worth taking a look at. And not just because this is a sponsored video, it's just sponsored by Tapo, but I personally use these cameras at home, and this is one of their latest and greatest ones, the Tapo C465. So it's got 4K recording. It's got wireless security, so that way you can use it with your Wi-Fi router. You don't have to have a base station, which is super nice. And 4K solar panel, so that way it'll recharge the battery inside of it. No wires, don't have to plug it in anywhere. And it's got a magnetic detachable base on the back. You can use it in a lot of portable situations, unlike an RV or an apartment where you can't necessarily put nails and screws in the wall. MSRP $139. I got a link in the description that you can check out if you want to get one and get it for the latest price. But it's got a lot of great things going for it, and subscription-free service. Like, you can monitor yourself, gives you notifications. You don't have to pay anything. So that's really nice. And the guys over at Tapo, they're made by TP-Link. They've been around the block for a while. They're the world's number one provider of Wi-Fi devices. They've got over 38 million trusted users across 170 plus countries. Tapo is recognized by PC Mag as one of the best brands of 2025, also highlighted by The Verge. They got a lot of good things going on: history, legacy, and fair pricing. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at it. Unboxing, setup, security footage, all those different things, so you can see if this is maybe the right security camera for you. So let's take a look. Here we have the Tapo C465. So the whole shebang, all of this in one box. And just to revisit some of the highlights: no fees, 4K Ultra HD, 24/7 continuous capture, which is nice, free person pet vehicle detection with AI, continuous power with the solar charging panel, which is nice, color night vision, which is solid, and wire-free installation, and a quick attached magnetic mount. So all those things, all the stuff that's in the box here, which is nice, and so many different features that it talks about here on the back. But the essentials: it's smart, it's secure, it's easy, and you got a 1-year warranty and everything you need inside the box. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. All comes out in, well, kind of one piece there. So what do we got? Here's the camera, C465, which is some serious hardware here. Solar panel, we got the camera itself, and then some of the important things down here, like charging it with the USB-C, and then inside of here, where your SD card goes and stuff like that. So nice, easy, one-stop shop solution. So I like that. And then over here, you can see there's not really a whole lot. So we have the magnetic mount. And there's a pinch warning here. It says a very strong magnet, so don't get your finger stuck in between it. But that's one of the cool things about this one: no screws. You can just connect it onto the back, and then you put this on whatever metal source will support the magnet. And that's why this is great for people who have RVs, campers, if you live in an apartment and you can't install anything on the wall. But if you want to, you can install it on the wall. So you've got the mount and the screws for that. So all that stuff is great. And then you've got the charging cable and the documentation. And then there's like a little stencil set up so you can install the screws. But there's not really a whole lot on the inside of this. Just really wanted to show these things off. And this is something that's going to be a really good solution for a lot of different people in a lot of different ways. So can't wait to show more. We'll talk about the app next and show some of that stuff. And first things first, to get started, you want to go ahead and use the power button that's underneath this cover. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. It'll turn it on and check the LED status, so you can go ahead and connect it wirelessly to your security home Wi-Fi. Once you go ahead and fire it up and you set up with turn the power on and start connecting it, get it connected to your Wi-Fi, then it will automatically connect it to your network for you and set it up inside the app so you can start using it, which is nice. Very easy, quick to set up, only takes a couple of minutes. And if you've already got the Tapo security app, then this makes it even easier because all you're doing is adding a camera instead of registering and setting up for the first time. So that's one of the nice things, quick and easy to set up, Android or iOS. Also, when it comes to additional storage, you can get 30 days of free unlimited cloud storage, which is nice. Of course, it costs money after that, but you can at least start the free trial for 30 days if you want. So that's something that's nice. You can always check that out later inside of the app. And Also, it walks you through setting up your local storage. It does not have internal storage built in, but you can put up to 8 to a 512 gigabyte SD card inside of here. So that's nice as well. There's also a built-in test for Wi-Fi signal and preview. I strongly recommend before you set this up anywhere that you go ahead and you test it, which you can use with the app, and then go put your camera where you think you're going to set it up before you mount it, especially if it's going to be permanently mounted, because, well, you don't want to put it somewhere where it's not going to work. So this is a nice thing that's built into the app. Also, another feature that I like is this bezel. You can rotate it. So there's a switch right here to unlock the bezel. So you can mount it and put the direction of the solar panel facing the ideal sun exposure area to go ahead and make sure that you get the proper setup for this. That way it'll charge and keep your camera running for a long time. You can also adjust the solar panel for different angles as well. So not only can you rotate it, you can also prop it up and adjust it. So this is how you're going to get the maximum sunlight exposure for your Tapo security camera and make sure that the solar power charging is working and effective, which will keep you from having to plug this in and charge it basically for the lifetime of the camera. Like it's a really good technology. I've been using it with other Tapo wireless security cameras, so smart stuff. It's also important to highlight how easy it is to adjust and pivot the camera on the magnetic base. So you can put it at the desired angle for whether that's horizontal or vertical to capture the best avenues or the best area that you want to cover with your Tapo home security camera. Here you can see all the features the app has to offer. So you can go in here and easily take a look at this. Again, 4K, 8 megapixel camera. You can see the battery status there. Mine's at 31%. You should charge it all the way before you mount it on the wall. And then you've got the two-way talk button. You've got the alarm, which you can set off high decibels, so that way you can scare people away. Privacy mode. You've got the light, which is neat. So it's got the LED lights on here, which you can use as a spotlight or a floodlight. So that's cool. You can have it set up for motion, so they'll come on when there's a motion sense event. And then you can tag. And then you've got Tapo Care, which you can set up as well. And then it's nice because you can go in and check the playback and download any recordings that you have. So that's always a nice feature as well. You can take a snapshot. You can manually record video on here. You can listen to the audio, and then you can talk to people on the other side with the two-way communication because there's the microphones built in as well. And the app is simple and easy to use. Here we have an example of the daytime recording footage, so you can kind of get an expectation of what you get. I have mine on auto video settings, which is important to discuss because if you have it on auto, then it'll upgrade or downscale the video based on needs and requirements and storage or your connection and things like that. So you can have it on always 4K if you want larger storage file sizes, but this also you can see an illustration, not just 4K, but in 720p, so lots of clarity and good resolution. Here's a look at the 4K video quality, which is super, super nice. And you can see here, it's about 5:22 in the morning. The sun hasn't come out yet. Now, there's a light out here, but it's nice because you get the color night vision video, which is something that I really, really like. And I'll show you the zoom as well. So go ahead, and while you have the video on, whoop, you can zoom in, and you can see me in my hoodie. So that's super, super nice. There you go. That's as far as it zooms in. It goes to 18 times zoom. So there you go. And that's pretty good with the 4K, right? But super high resolution, and it's super great for the zooming in capabilities. Another thing that's nice is it has built-in infrared illuminators on the security camera, which you can see right there, the red lights. So you've got that. So in the absence of light, when you can't see in color mode, you can use it like this and it will illuminate with the infrared light. You'll get black and white. So you've got both of those options available at your fingertips, and you can have it set up on color mode where it'll just go ahead and kick in with the security light. So that way you can see in full color. But there's a lot of versatility here, and it works great. Here we have proper illumination with the floodlights from the camera, so you can see in full color, 4K resolution. It looks sharp, it's brilliant, and it's something that works really, really well. And you can see all the high detail resolution in the video, all the color contrast. It's sharp, and this is something that I like. Like, it works really, really well. Also important is the detection, which you can go ahead and set the sensitivity for waking up the camera. You can set up your detection zones, motion detection, person detection, pet detection, and vehicle. And these are important, especially if you've got it in a high traffic area, because you don't want unwanted cats walking by and setting it off, or vehicles driving by all the time. You want legitimate motion or vehicle or person detection events, so that way you can get reliable notifications and recordings for your home security. So that's all I've got on the Tapo C465 4K wireless security camera. And as you can see, there's a lot of great stuff. It's easy to set up. It's simple. You can put it just about anywhere where there's a magnetic connection, like even a garage door, for instance, as long as you get good solid sun exposure. But it's very easy to set up. The price, again, MSRP is $139, but you can click the link in the description. It'll have the most current up-to-date pricing, especially when they have sales, which are pretty frequent. And you got the 1-year warranty, 30 days of the cloud storage that you can use if you don't want to put an SD card in it, but that's how you go ahead and set up. And like I showed off in the video, it works really well. You got a lot of options. It's great for nighttime, especially with the infrared for the black and white night vision, high quality, high resolution, even full color with the illumination, motion detection, setting up all that stuff, and the zoom, which is fantastic, up to 18 times zoom, which we just demonstrated as well. So lots of great things to like here, and it's Tapo, which means that it's Tapo. I just made that up. So anyway, that's all I've got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.